Hey guys, I'm under my depression over saying goodbye to Nubs. I'm trying my best not to fucking cry, because it's very emotional for me. I just got it here, so going to unbox it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. This is so fucking sticky. Okay. Oh! And here they are, guys. Holy shit, they're freezing. Oh dear God, they are freezing cold. Yeah, like I said before, you guys, I wouldn't recommend buying a 10-pack though, but I will have 20 of these DVDs. So, yeah, holy shit, you guys, this is actually so cold. I hope they'll work, and I hope I can get some more movies done here. I hope to get the Harry Potter franchise only on 2 discs, because it literally says 4.7 gigabytes. That's how much you can fit. I think you can put 4 movies, so that would be very exciting for me. And I might be able to put the others in the collection, but I might. Yeah. Like I said before, you guys, from last year in 2022 or 2023, I think. Like I said before, you don't actually have to buy this, as I said. But this is the only thing I could afford that was cheaper. And I could not get that 100-pack DVD-Rs. Yeah. So, I'm quite happy that I got it now. But my fucking god, it's actually so cold right now. Trust me guys, it's actually freezing cold. I'm just looking at the box here, and it looks like the box is damaged. Well, that's a huge disappointment. I'm gonna have to explain that to them. The box is actually damaged, but it's Amazon, so. But as long as the DVDs are okay in there, except, like I said before, you guys, if you followed my video tutorial, you know how to do it. So, but I highly recommend downloading the 4-hour long version, downloading the free movie collection and the 7-film collection, and return to the multiverse, so that way you have the entire 8-film collection. But that's just my recommendation. That's just my own opinion and something. So, yeah, I do like this little Amazon package here. Recyclable. Yeah. So, yeah. Unfortunately, Nubs is gone. I was very emotional. I was crying. We all were crying. My mom was crying. My mom is not the owner. We actually don't know who the actual real owner is yet. But I hope we get some information about who the owner is. Yeah, she's used her storing digital media music presentation? Really? Wow. What the actual hell? What? I did not know. I don't know what that is. Okay, that is a very dangerous hazard then. I don't actually know what the actual fucking hell that is. I did not even realize that warning before. Yeah. This package is stackable. Oh, here we go. 1 GB equals 1 billion bytes. Formatted capacity less. Yeah, okay. So, is this? Oh no, that's just a little tape sticker. Little taped package thing. Okay. I'm not actually gonna open it because I don't want to actually take a just eventually scratch it because I really want to keep my DVDs safe. My recommendation of keeping them safe is by putting them in the little verbatim. I still don't know how to pronounce it, but the only wish I wish that I could find is this stuff in stores. Yeah, I want to find this stuff in stores. I can't wait for the next package to come tomorrow, and AirPod will be shipped on Sunday. So stay tuned on my channel, so you'll be able to see that. I might actually use a few of these for a few more movies. But generally for a CD collection, yeah, 7 film collection was perfect. Didn't need any 8 movies. But as I said before, guys, it's totally up to you. It's only my opinion. But if you just want a regular G price, I recommend buying 2 of these so that way you'll have 20. But if you really want to go for something that expensive, then I would get the 100 pack because, like, I mean, come on, guys. It's just amazing. So, yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the DVD opening. Amazon unboxing. So, yeah, I'll see you in my next video.